Immerse in the world of lean with three key concepts. First, we have waste reduction. This principle identifies several types of waste such as overproduction, waiting, unnecessary transportation, excess inventory, overprocessing, defects, and underutilized talent. The ultimate goal? To eliminate or minimize these wastes. Next, we have Kaizen or continuous improvement. This concept fosters a culture of unending betterment at all levels of an organization. The focus is not on massive, overnight changes, but small, incremental improvements made consistently. Lastly, we delve into just-in-time or JIT. This principle revolves around delivering products or services precisely when they're needed, reducing the need for excess inventory. These three concepts form the backbone of lean, a methodology that's all about efficiency, productivity, and continual refinement. So gear up, embrace the lean, and take your business to the next level.